Hi, my name is Kaylee Hoy. Um, I dissected my eyeball, not my eyeball, a sheep eyeball, and I think I cut it wrong. So this is a little disclaimer. I think I misunderstood the instructions, but I only had one eyeball, so I'm just gonna make do with what I did wrong. So sorry for a glare, but here is the eyeball split on this side, right there. On the other side, there's the optic nerve, and I guess it does go inside too. And then on the other side of this lens is the pupil. So, or sorry, I mean the cornea. But as we can see, this like clear liquid stuff is the aqueous humor, and that is just like a clear membrane that helps keep shape for the eyeball. And then right here, we can see the retina. That's like the yellow membrane. And the retina is just basically like helping with nerve impulses and taking light and converting it. And then this black membrane, dark membrane, that is the choroid. And choroid is just like for blood supply and supplying the eyeball with different nutrients. And then on the very outer shell, not like this yellow stuff, but like the very outer shell, that is called the sclera. And that's just helping maintain the shape of our eyeball again. Now over here, this yellow thing, this little thing that I'm poking, also all this clear stuff on the table, that's aqueous humor, just poured out when I was cutting it. But the lens, that helps to convert the light coming in from the cornea, and it just makes it like better focused, I guess. And then where I should have cut, I'm so sorry. I'm very wrong. This is vitreous humor. The aqueous humor is behind this. I totally, completely messed that up. But if I were to have cut this right, we would be able to see the aqueous humor, the pupil, and the iris. Um, but instead, I'm just going to have to help explain what these other things are for. So, aqueous humor, if we would have seen it, it also helps maintain the shape of the eyeball. The vitreous humor also maintains the shape of the eyeball. And then if we were to see the pupil, it's just where the light enters the eye, and then it comes to the lens and it converts. And then the iris, that's just helping, like it's the color, and it maintains like the amount of light that can enter the eyeball. So like you're focusing on something, and it just is able to like focus better. And that's the eyeball, which I cut wrong, and I deeply apologize, but hopefully you get the gist of everything.